Driver!
We said, don't stop at all.
Collect that liquor food around a McDonald's, bumbo. Come in. We're not actually getting this from McDonald's, but from Burger King. But we should do it at McDonald's.
Drive the wrong place.
Alright, let's squeeze over.
Yeah, I know.
Come on, time to get something for 8. Oh, yeah, go.
Why?
Wait. It is time to get something to consume. Isn't me? And we are here at McDonald's. Yo, welcome people we don't know say Yaadman there. And we're there with Mel and Ed.
Yeah, we're happy.
Yo, so we're there and we're kind of hungry. So we come on McDonald's. But we're not come on McDonald's to eat no McDonald's.
Why?
We're not coming to McDonald's for name from here, no. We're not coming for name no clown food. We're actually here to eat like royalty. You see, because here we're going. Burger King have a promotion going on that if you are in the vicinity of a McDonald's, you can activate upon them a mobile app for order online to get a Whopper for a cent.
1 cent.
1 cent. So we're there right now, so make us walk. It's a wet dog. That's what she said. So we're there in McDonald's, isn't it? You can look around to see McDonald's today.
McDonald's, brother.
Come on, right now. Just click the Burger King app, isn't it? Let's see what's going on. Alright, let's see if this really works. Because I don't believe this order Whopper for a cent. I don't believe this. Hello. Okay, coupon unlocked. Congratulations, you've unlocked Whopper Detour. You have an hour to... Let's post this one. Come on. Let's still at this restaurant. You want dine-in, take-out, drive-through, whatever one. Take-out.
Take-out, man.
Come on. So quick take-out. Brother.
Yeah.
You see that?
Brother.
What that say?
Hold on.
Tap I'm here when you arrive so you can prepare. Bombo.
Oh, yeah, for you. 1 penny, brother.
1 penny, brother.
Location, yeah?
So, yeah. So, we just need to go to this location. And, yeah, I ate that. So, what I say? 1 cent Whopper?
1 cent, brother.
Alright, forward. Could do road.
Supposed to click I'm here or just drive right now?
No, drive go down and then click I'm here and reach.
Man.
Isn't me? Alright, say driver!
Don't stop at all.
Alright, so we're there in a Burger King, Zane. The home of the 1 cent Whopper. Now that we pull up, we can see if this thing really work. We already started this restaurant for takeout. But I already did all this.
Jesus, no. Them lock it back?
They couldn't unlock it back.
Them shut up your food, don't it?
Them what?
Them mess up your food.
Yeah, dog. They mess up my food, dog.
Oh, no. Oh, God. Rude.
Yo, ready? Driver!
We said, don't stop at all.
Alright, so the coupon has been unlocked again. Wait, we can customize Whopper. It's on it. No, I don't want a bacon. I don't want American.
You could do that?
Bomba. Can put mustard on it too?
Jano.
Bomba.
Oh, we never get an option there.
Yeah, man, more everything on it.
Jano.
Yeah, man, for free. Yeah, man. Add to order. Yeah, man, see that? Check out. Yeah, man, continue. Yeah, man. Click it for me. I gotta do it from right now. I am here because we're right over this way. Right over this way there. Boom!
What?
All set, Etan.
Them dead now?
Yeah, man. I just got a Whopper for 1 cent. Ready? Come in. Come and get the Whopper. Come and get the food. So yeah, so we're there. We are at Burger King, the home of the 1 cent Whoppers, and we are about to collect our 1 cent food. I want to see if this is legit, or if, you know. Alright, come. Alright, it seems normal sized. Yo, people, them, so we just come out of Burger King and we have our 1 cent Whoppers. Now, I am a firm believer that a burger should not cost $1.
Them say no fillers with no preservatives in it.
Yeah, see it here? 100% beef with no fillers, no preservatives. That means it comes fresh from the cow.
I believe it at bomb.
I don't believe that either. However, as me say, I don't believe in $1 burgers, but 1 cent burgers, fam. Bomba. Look on the buns, dog.
What's look on the buns? Look good, smell good to me.
Look good, smell good, yeah, man.
I'm sorry. I really can't wait right now, man. I show this one. Yo! I like a food, you know. That night today.
You taste nothing wrong with it?
Tastes kind of bland, but I can't live with that.
I mean, all American food is bland, really and truly.
Truly. I wonder if we go and put some seasoning on the way taste with that.
Can I do that?
Never tried that before. Big man thing.
Man, put a little bit of seasoning on it, man.
Probably one more bite though.
Yeah. Alright. Burger King. Alright. 1 cent Whoppers, okay. Rate it. You see, the thing is,
It's a thumbs up, definitely.
what in a Jamaica you can buy for 1 cent?
Yeah, don't be that thing, but
Yeah, that crazy, dog. Like, up here in a foreign, yo. And they must sell you a burger. What cost a cent? I don't believe that, yo. Something must wrong with it. Feed. Cost a cent, dog.
right on. Like I did, you know. But like I did happy.
What is it? Like a Happy Meal. Ba-da-da-da-da. Alright, Burger King, we're liking it. We're just going to put some seasoning on these burgers because them kind of bland, you see me?
I want to just mean salt. I don't know what that's going to do with the food.
No, man.
Season salt.
I'll season where I got season that burger.
Garlic, everything.
Yeah. You have cheese there too?
What?
You have cheese there too, because you never get cheese by my bro.
Never had no cheese in here.
You never get no cheese either?
No.
Come realize that the cheese was 50 cents more to put it on the burger. That's the note. So the whole burger would have been 51 cents. Now here's my problem.
And that's what they were trying to do. I think that's what they were trying to do.
And here's my problem with that, right? Usually I get cheese on my burgers regardless of how much I have to pay. But you're telling me that my burger costs 1 cent and you want me to put 50 cents?
Forget cheese.
The cheese is 50 times more the burger, fam. That's why I never do it. I couldn't do it, dog.
How much more cheese I would add on it, sir?
Dog, I that me I say, I could have get 50 burger for one of them cheese, dog.
Yeah, no.
That really have to put you really have to put things in a consideration, you know.
Really better.
Alright, so we reach back at the house and hear me I said, man, the burger them they kind of bland, so we kind of need to spice it up. You see me I said? You see, I don't tell them already, say, Jamaican man only eat seasoned meat, right? Eat seasoned meat, right?
Only season.
Only seasoned.
And half a cook.
Right? I need to have a cook. You see me I say, here we know. Bumbo. Alright. This way, I take some body here. You see me? Some, what you call it, man? Some complete seasoning. Yeah, man.
Complete
like
seasoning.
all purpose.
You see me?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Let's sprinkle that. Some black pepper. You see me?
Jesus.
And probably take like a tupsa grease.
You want about a 2
Black
jacket?
pepper. You see me?
Decent. Mad. So you can just add this to the little menu.
Yeah.
That I wanna go beat McDonald's, you hear me?
Oh, it's 1 cent pepper. You don't know what I'm going, you know.
You can pick it there. And jump him.
Come on.
Jump him. Jump him, boy. Dead there now. Brother. Alright. I can't live with this.
Come on.
Yo. Bad.
Yeah, man, this can go on. You can
Yo.
more than one, sir. Yeah, man.
Yo. Thing bad.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Paper.
It's easy, I mean.
And cook it too.
Yeah,
Yeah, we bought it.
So, Burger King, I must applaud you. I don't know how. I have no idea how to not afford to give people 1 cent Whopper. And it really made me question what they in the burger. But from me I eat right now, even though we have to season it up a little bit, it bad. It bad. What you say? Yeah, man. So, yeah, people, jump in on the 1 cent Whopper thing. It actually real. It actually real. Yo. Sorry for my Jamaican people, them still. Them not no McDonald's in Jamaica.
Brother, yeah, boy.
Yeah, man. Yo, people, big up on themselves. Go and go eat.
Out.